when I
Mhm.
will just sit for my son to study, and after
Okay.
that, after finishing the study, I will prepare the torta, and
Mhm.
then we
Yeah.
will have it
Yeah.
after now.
Yes. So let us introduce first of all, because we are talking first time this conversation. We are going to do first time to talk. Actually, audio
Just
call we talked many time, but I think hi, hello, hello. How are you? How are you
Hello?
going?
I am well.
Yeah, you are doing. You are good. Let me know your name, please.
My name is Amut Chakraborty.
Wow, very nice name, very nice name. Did you do your homework or just you have to do that in evening time?
Yes, I do my homework.
Great, great, very nice. And you are going this, there is no vacation these days to you, right?
Yes, vacation is finished. Summer vacation is finished.
Okay, but my vacation started right now because this monsoon season we got the vacation. So I am on the vacations. I am a teacher. I teach the students like you in the school. So yeah, I'm just find that you are very good student and boy goes in the class and good boy at home, right?
Hello, yes.
Yes, yes. What would you like most in the fruits? Which is your favorite fruit?
Banana.
Oh my God, I also love banana. And what is your favorite vegetable?
Potato.
Very nice. My mother-in-law likes too much potato, but I don't. And what is your favorite food like rice, chapati, rajma, and whatever you uh, can tell me?
Chapati.
Along with that vegetable,
Hello. Which vegetable do you
which
like to eat? Chapati.
vegetable do you like most?
Chili paneer.
Vegetable like cheese, peas, and nutrients, and there are lots of vegetables.
Well, I like to eat paneer. I like to eat paneer.
Oh my God, my son also like the same, likewise you. He also like during his school days, most of the time I gave him uh, peas and cheese pila. Yes, great, great, great.
Okay, so now
Do you like
just buy
pizza?
and
Do you like pizza or fast food or not?
yes, I like.
Like?
I like.
Oh my God, great, great. Sometime we should have these things because not all the time, but twice, once or twice in a month, because these things are very unhealthy and it doesn't give us any energy and not so. But this is only the taste. We actually, I have these things once in a month just for taste. These things are not nutritious.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Nice to talk to you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Wow. Welcome, welcome. Very nice guys, very sharp boy. And he answered me very rapidly one by one. And yeah, this is
Yeah,
good guy. You
very
can talk
interesting.
him, you can improve herself along with him because this time just kids listen their mothers. You can ask him whatever and he can respond.
Actually, yeah, he usually just speak with his friends, with his teachers in English in every time. Whenever he
Okay.
just in the school. Okay, like 7:30 to 2:30 in that time, all the time he just speaks in English because mother language is not allowed in his school. Okay,
Okay.
if you have the speak in the mother language, then he will be punished. Okay, because that rules are there in his school. So that's why he is constant with English language and speaking. Okay, I sometimes I just speak with him in English and in the study time also. Every time
Wow.
when I want for 1 hour or 2 hour, when I just sit him for study, so that time I just teach him in English. Okay, and try to sometime instructed him something in English, and this
Wow.
way. is learning, and the school is very much careful about that, and they are learning. They are teaching him very well the language, and they are just doing it very well. Because in the earlier times, in the past, we have no that kind of environment, because we are just reading in a Bengali medium school. Our mother tongue, we used to speak in the mother tongue. There is no environment there. Okay, but now they are in the ICSC school, in English medium school. They have the environment, and their inborn quality is there, and they are just learning from their earlier age. Okay, and they will be perfect in their when they will grow up.
Oh my
Okay.
God, this is very nice thing because if the kids started this language at school level, then it would not tough for them. Because this
Mhm.
thing this is a little, this is very difficult for us, but these guys, yeah, because yeah, very nice, and you can also improve with him yourself and his side,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you both will get benefit, I think. Yeah,
Obviously,
very nice
sometimes
thing.
when I just start for studies time, when I just make any mistake like accenting something, pronouncing
Yes,
something, so
yes.
he corrects. Okay, the correct pronunciation, Mama. This is the correct pronunciation.
That's
Okay,
why
because
I
yeah, because we
yes, yes.
acquainted with all the words and all these things, because we
Hmm.
are just gave up our studies back long back. Okay, so now we are just keep don't touch in don't in touch with the studies. So he is all the way. So every time he is learning, every time he's just learning new things and new words. So he sometimes corrects me, Mama, this is the right pronunciation. Oh, so I
Right.
learn from him also.
Hmm. Actually, this thing is very good because this age he will learn everything, and yeah, this era is very nice for those guys. Yeah, Hindi language they automatically know. Not they don't have this idea. They already know they because everyone is talking at home. But I think the future is there in this language for the
Yeah,
new
yeah.
kids. And this is
Hmm.
mandatory for those guys. But we guys also we have to go with them side by side because otherwise we get left behind after some time. So we need to go with them side by side. So yeah. And that's why we need to update ourselves and we need to go
Update
through with
ourselves,
them.
and we have to polish our language. We have to polish our fluency for that.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay,
that's
ma'am. So
right.
now I have to just hang up the call,
Oh,
because
right,
now I
right. That's
it's the
okay.
time
Thank
for
you. Nice to talk to
teaching.
you, son. Till then, bye
Oh,
bye.
okay, bye, bye, bye. Have a nice day.